Have you guys seen my other video where I break down all sizes of diamond tennis bracelet? If you haven't, exit this video and go watch it now. You're gonna need to prep yourself. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Bonnie with By Bonnie Jewelry, where I talk about all things diamonds and craftsmanship. What's a big diamond ring if you don't have a bracelet to go with it? Yes, when I say bracelet, I mean like XXL bracelet. And of course, one of my clients messaged me, Bonnie, I love your bracelet. It's been on my wish list for a long time. Make it happen. So we're gonna deep dive on how I actually make this bracelet happen, okay? We always ask, do you want natural diamonds or do you want lab diamonds, okay? This client preferred natural diamonds. So I do my best work, you know, when clients don't come to me and give me like very tight parameters for everything. They say, okay, I only want this and this and this and this. A lot of times, really, that does not do you any favor because I'm trying to give you my best based on my experience. So take a look at the layout, okay? Every single diamond here lined up, look at how perfect they are. Not only am I matching millimeter, I'm matching carat size, I'm matching color, I'm matching clarity. If you go to a big box store, you will realize that a lot of times you pick up a piece of jewelry like this, right? Really beautiful. And you ask them a simple question. Oh, excuse me, what are the qualities of the diamond? A lot of times you don't know actually what all these numbers and letters mean. They'll be like, oh yeah, it's D to I or D to J. So if I'm doing a custom piece this glamorous, like this amazing, for me, unless it's a type of cut that is super hard to have a layout or super rare, I typically really want to stay between the 3 to 4 color ranges. When it comes to 6 color ranges or 7 color ranges, it really kind of starts to throw it off in my opinion because I'm super picky and super meticulous. So if you look at the stones and the way that we laid it out here, every single stone I ended up matching up to the exact same 1 to 2 color grades, and it came out magnificent, okay? When you look at this bracelet, take a look at it from the top view, right? You'll see that every single stone has that perfect round outline, okay? This is one of my biggest pet peeves about diamond tennis bracelet, okay? A lot of the over-the-counter stuff, it's probably gonna have like a really big frame, really wide square, and then they're like squeezing all the stones in there. It doesn't even look round to me. I mean, I know I'm being like a little extra on the setting, but I feel like if you are gonna commission me to do something this high end, I really want to see like every single stone stand out. And this type of setting is not something that you can just like, okay, I'm gonna make a big chunk and set diamonds. It requires hand assembling. There's a lot of work involved, and of course I love every little detail. Look at the prongs, just look at it. Okay, every single one meticulously just clawed, little teardrops. I love the way it looks. And actually, I have the same for my bracelet. Some people don't like that, okay? Let me just say that. Some people think like, oh, I don't want all these little claws on my bracelet. I want it rounded prongs. I've done that too. But on a bracelet this size, it really just, it's so perfect. Take a look at the comparison, right? This one, we did a little over 3/4 carats. It's perfect. I've compared it next to my 1 carat. When you look from afar, you really can't see the difference. And this is where I feel like the value comes in, where like, okay, if it's natural diamonds, they're just slightly under a carat, and it still gives you the same va-va-voom, powwow look. It's so beautiful. And the next thing is, what is a perfect bracelet if I don't have the perfect lock for it? Traditionally, you'll see a lot of the bracelet with a double tongue lock on the outside. I have that too, to be honest with you. A couple of my bracelet, I don't mind it, but for this particular project and this magnificent, I just don't want to see any extra metal on either side. So we have a custom underlock that we do, and it's just perfect. Here you can see a little demonstration of how I open the bracelet. A lot of people ask me this when they get my bracelet. They were like, Bonnie, how do I open it? Here it is. You unhook the bottom, press on the safety, open it, and then close it, and it's seamless. When I do curation, I really always try to choose diamonds that face up wider than its actual paper grade. And because of the size of each diamond, we call this a perfect layout. It comes with a certification, each and every single one. I want to say that nobody does that when the stones are smaller, or if it's lab grown, they're individually certified. It is stunning. The craftsmanship is mind-blowing. So if you are thinking about getting something like this, don't sleep on craftsmanship. Oh my God, let me just say it out loud 10 more times. Do not forget craftsmanship. It is so important. It really is the make or break between something that is luxury, that screams custom, that screams perfect, and also it is custom sized to her wrist as well, and that's perfect. And I have another video where I teach you how to measure your wrist size. Do not miss that video for the perfect bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful bracelet videos. What other videos do you guys want to watch? Leave your comments below. Follow me on social media at By Bonnie Jewelry, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. Bye.